Hi, back in the kitchen again. Sarena from Bob's Red Mill. Today we're cooking quinoa. This is one of my absolute favorite products that we have. It's super easy to cook. It's 2-to-1 water to quinoa. You don't have to wash it. A lot of quinoa products out there you have to wash, which people hate doing, and then you wonder, did I get that taste off? You got it. All you have to do, boil your water, dump in your quinoa, turn it down, simmer, cover it, and 15 minutes, you've got a beautiful grain ready for any dish you want. So we have boiling water going right now, and we are going to take our quinoa and dump it in. Give it a quick stir just to make sure everything's covered, and turn it down to medium-low, bring it to a simmer.